Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Mazda vehicle and you're getting the check engine light on with a P0101 error code and you're trying to figure out how to fix it, and can you do it yourself without taking it to the mechanic? And the answer is most of the time yes, because the most common reason that you're going to get this P0101 error is a problem with the mass airflow sensor, which is super easy to replace by yourself. You just need to get the sensor, and I'll put a link in the description to where you can get it. You can just get it off Amazon for like 130 bucks. Shipping is free, and then all we need to do is come in and once we get it, we're just going to come in under the hood and pull the old sensor off. So it's just going to look like this. You're just going to need to come in and kind of pinch that there to pull that off. And then you see there's just those two screws there holding it in. That's all that's holding it in. You just come in with a screwdriver, remove those two screws. Just make sure you don't lose the screws because you're going to need them to put the new sensor in. So once you get those two screws out, you'll see you can just pull this thing right out. Once you get the second screw out there, you just come in, pull it out, and the new one looks exactly like that. You're just going to put the new one in, put the screws back on, and that's really all there is to it. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.